Today I'm playing Ragdoll. I don't. It's kinda laggy. I think I'm dead. Guys, I have to reset, I think. Okay. I think I have to press R. Yup, R. R? Yeah, R. And you press T. I don't know what, but but this is kind of fun and I feel bad for if this is in real life, I would probably be dead. Or now I'm not. Now I'm now. I am cursed. I am the one of a kind cursed man. And yes, I am a boy. What do you expect from my character to be? So you think I am a girl? If people think that I am girl, say that I am a girl. Just just say it on the comments. I won't just be angry if some of you guys say that I'm a girl. It's just my voice just sounds like a girl. If you guys think that my voice is a girl, comment down. And my character looks like a girl, but it doesn't count anymore. What? Did you hear that, guys? That was looks like Squid Game. Oh, so this is taking so long. Oh my! It's bigger than that tower. Well, but I'm still cursed. You see? Oh my God! Ah, where I am. It's going to take a while, but I'm angry because I'm taking a while. Now lag is starting to feel. But wait. Oh. Should stop ragdolling. E. Yup, here is the squid game. What do you want from me? Lovely, I'm a skinny man. Look at me, man. I can't jump for some reason. Guys, give me stick with me. Why? Hmm. Now I can't stick anymore. It's down. And it's out of juice. Ow! Dead. Now I'm really dead, lol. I'm trying to jump and it's trying to make me my character jump, but it can't. This is a block from. Is that a pet? How did he get a pet? This is not even pet simulator. Weird. Lol, I am a boneless man. Look at that guy go. We, I am a perfect body with a perfect bone. Kid. Hehe. What? And also, this is almost the end of the video, guys. And also, I'm fat. Ah, I'm still alive. Take that, people that didn't make it. Ha 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 ha. Rip. Look at them, tiny stuff. Ah! 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 Also, anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like the video. Wait, I have to do a challenge of to knock one player. Eh, get knocked. I want to see knock players. Ooh, that the one? Yes. Knock. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you love it. And see you in the next one.